In order to stream on the Twitch using the OBS Studio Steam Labs, the process is very simple. Just open it up. You will see setting options on the bottom left side. Go ahead and click on that. Navigate yourself to the third option, name as stream. And over here, you will see Twitch option. Just click on it. It will redirect you to a browser where you just have to log in with your Twitch account, like this one that I have done. So once you have done that, you will see that you have now set up the streaming option. Go to the output, and now you will see streaming. Just enable it, and then if you want to go for like 1080p and 60 frames, 4500 bit rates are good enough. I'm using software X264 for the less CPU usage, and the audio bitrate 288 because that sounds good. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you do it, you will see the go live option. Once you have, just set it up, you will see the go live option, and you guys can go live by just clicking on it or setting up the hold key from this option like this one. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.